upon a time, there lived a greedy stray dog. He used to roam here and there in search of food and water. One day, he was very hungry and he decided to search for food on the other side of the bridge outside his house. He went across the wooden bridge and started looking for food there. Luckily, he found a big, juicy bone and he held the bone tightly in his mouth so that no other dog could snatch it from him. As he was about to eat the bone, he thought to himself if any of his friends saw him eating there, he might have to share it with them. As he was crossing the stream, he looked into the water and saw another dog holding a bone in his mouth. So he decided to take the bone back to his home. He wanted the other bone as well. As he opened his mouth to bark, the bone fell into the water. He then realized that it was not another dog in the water, it was his own reflection. He lost the bone because of his greediness and had to go back home.
Subscribe to my channel.